Hello and welcome. My name is Shri Agrawal. You are watching Innovate. So let's start. In this video, I am going to show you a simple Python game which I created using a Pygame library. So let's see. First of all, we are going to look at output, and after that, I am going to show you how the game works internally in an abstract manner. So let's see. I am starting our program. As you can see, the game is started and enemies are falling down. These are spaceships of enemy. As you can see, we can move in 4 directions: left, right, up and down. We can move diagonally as well, as you can see. And whenever we are killing any enemy, the blast music and score going to increase if enemy get killed. As you can see, 77. As you can see, score is also increasing, and whenever we touch to any enemy, our life decreasing continuously, and whenever our life gets 0, last end game animation started. Game over, like that. And program stopped. So as you can see, that's how our game works. Now let's look at how game works internally in an abstract manner. In an output you saw, we are able to move diagonally in very smooth manner. This is because we are using very simple and useful method to handle the events in Pygame. So let's see. To handle the events, I first created a dictionary named as current underscore events, in which I initialized all the possible events. So for up key, I initialize with key up, means no key is pressed. For key down, for key right, key left, and key space. All of these. And inside an game loop, as you can see over here, if any one from those specified keys in a dictionary is pressed, then we are going to update them with event.type, means pygame.keydown, like that. So that's how we know which one key is pressed and which one is not. And here in if condition, we are checking for each and every action, is key is pressed or not. Let's see for key up. Current events for key up is key down, means if up key is pressed, then execute this code for moving the hero up and changing the image of hero. So that's how our hero's position get updated. And same for key down, key left, right, and space. For space we are using fire. So that's how we move our hero in our game. So let's look at sets which are used inside this game. As you can see over here, I have all of these assets. These are images for moving the hero in the right direction. As you can see, this is when hero is stand still. For moving in straight direction, for left direction, for blast, as you can see, for blast we have these 8 images. Then for background image we have this one, like that. For villain we have this image, as you can see. And I extracted all of these single images of heroes from this png, characters.png, where I have all of the possible movements of the hero. And you may recognize this character. This is our Contraman. If you played that game, that was very famous game. So that is our Contraman. Now I am going to explain you how villains get updated and how bullets are processed. in a single update loop. We are updating the villains. Whenever our game is started, at that time we are randomly generating minimum 30 villains starting from 0 to width of the screen, and then in a continuous update loop we are updating the position of villains, and then whenever the villain touches to the boundary, at that time we are going to remove that villain from the screen and then generate new villain in place of that. And that's how villains are continuously falling down from the screen. So that's for villains updating its position. And for bullets, to process the bullets, whenever the bullet get fired in an update loop, we are updating the position of bullet one step ahead, and if any one of the bullet is encountered, or we say intersect with any one of the villain, then we are going to destroy that villain and increase the score by 1. That's how our bullet going to process. And by combining all of this code into a single game loop, our game going to work. So that's how our game works. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, click on like button. If you are new to our channel, click on subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.